Itũũra-inĩ rĩa Sekutiek mũhaka-inĩ wa kaunti ya Naikuru na kaunti ya Narok nĩkuo maobitha a kambuni ya Kenya Power matabanĩtie Mũngũrũrio na gũkora mĩciĩ ĩtanyihĩire 60 ĩtambĩirio thitima na njĩra ya ngungo. Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa wendia kambuni-inĩ ya Kenya Power kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru Henry Pwani akiuga ciĩko ta ici nĩcio iracũngĩrĩra hathara kũrĩ kambuni ĩno.
We got intelligence that there are a lot of bypass meters in this area, which is compromising safety of our customers. And so we came with a team in order to identify those illegal connections and be able to recover them. We've just been here for the last 1 hour. We are continuing with the exercise, and from the preliminaries, almost 60-70% of customers here have been given illegal supplies.
Tuelewe hao watu kama ni wakora ama si wakora. Hakuna mtu hajalipa hapa almost 50,000, 60,000. Kama hii pole iko hapa hivi post tumeiweka na pesa. Hiyo ni ya 38,000. Tumewekea kila kitu. Bado tunang'olewa saa stima. Hatujui nani right, kama ni hawa ama ni wale walituwekea.
Ya watu tu wa stima walikuja. Sasa hatujui kama ni wakora, walikuja tu akisema ni ya Kenya Power na walikuja na hiyo lori ya Kenya Power.
Arĩa mĩciĩ yao ĩhobanĩirio na gũkorwo mekĩrĩirwo thitima na njĩra ya ngungo magĩtarĩrio ũrĩa mekĩrĩirwo thitima ici nĩ maobitha maugire maumĩte kambuni-inĩ ya Kenya Power na ũrĩa mathiĩte hathara thutha wa kũrengerwo thitima.
Kama kwangu pole kuweko tu peke yake 30,000. Hizo kazi zingine waya nini nilipa 15,000. Hao watu walituwekea without any paper ama without any agreement. Hatuna written, kitu tu oral. Kama ni pesa ni oral, kupatiana cash na tu kuandikiania na hao mahali. Sasa sasa stima niko almost, mimi nimetumia almost stima 1 year ama 8 months.
Walituitisha deposit 150, 150. Wakakuja wakatuwekea post na waya. Sasa vile walikuja kutuangushia walituitisha 70,000. Siku ya kwanza niliuza kondoo 10 na ng'ombe 1. Siku ya pili nikauza ng'ombe yangu ilikuwa imebakisha mwezi 2 sai. Juu walituambia hatuwezi tupewe hii na kuangushiwa bila 70,000.
Gũkĩrĩ ũguo mũingĩ ũrĩtio gũthũrimaga andũ arĩa maroka matũũra-inĩ na kũmoria kũmekĩrĩra thitima kũhĩtũkĩra mũtambo ũrĩa wĩkĩrĩtwo nĩ kambuni ĩno wa kũmenya kana mũndũ nĩ mũruti wĩra wa kambuni ya Kenya Power.
So our focus has been in these areas, and we are collaborating with the police in these areas. We have mapped out all these critical infrastructure, and in some of them we have stationed police with the collaboration with the police commanders in order to guard them to ensure that our equipment are safe.
Kaunti ya Naikuru mahũthĩro ma thitima makinyagia ciringi mirioni 900 o mweri, no gĩcunjĩ kĩa 23 harĩ igana kĩa mbeca ici gĩthiaga mĩhuko-inĩ ya tũrĩa nĩme. Kĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.